no issue. So how to solve this? First find out substrings or the number of cells which should be considered for this problem, for the given problem. So here string length is 4. Again we need 10 cells just like the previous example. So let us draw tabular form for this. So as we have 4 symbols in the string, we need 4 rows. Okay, give numbering 1, 2, 3, 4 from right to left. Now, so first, what is step 1? Step 1 is you need to fill elements in diagonal locations. So take 1 length strings first. 1 length strings means 1 1 position, 2 2, 3 3 and 4 4. These are 1 length strings. So take 1 1. So how will get 1 1? So string given is A B B B. Okay. So here check the production deriving this terminal A. A is derived by capital A. Small b. B is derived by capital B. Okay. So this is 1 1 place. Okay. This is 2 2, 3 3 and 4 4. So in place of 1 1 keep A. In place of 2 2 capital B. 3 3 capital B. 4 4 capital B. Okay, as all of them are B's only. So now 1 length string over. Now fill 2 length strings. 2 length strings means 1 2. Okay, then 2 3 and then 3 4. These are 2 length strings. So 1 2 can be written as 1 1 dot product 2 2. So what is 1 1? 1 1 means A. 2 2 means B. Check if we have any production deriving AB. Yes, AB is derived by S and B. Okay. So what are the productions deriving AB, S and B? So fill this 1 2 place with S comma B. Okay. Now take 2 3. 2 3 can be written as 2 2 3 3. 2 2 means B. 3 3 is B. So check if we have BB. Yes, BB is derived by capital A. So BB is derived by A. So fill this 2 3 place with A. Now 3 4. 3 4 can be written as 3 3 and 4 4. 3 3 dot 4 4. 3 3 means B. 4 4 is B. So check the productions deriving BB. A is deriving BB. So in place of 3 4 also place A. Okay, place A here. So now 2 length strings over. These are 1 length string, 2 length string, 3 length string and 4 length string. Okay, now we need to take 3 length strings. So for this, so let us take 3 length strings. So 3 length means 1 and 3. Okay, 1 3. 1 3 can be written as 1 2 3. You need to take elements in between 1 and 3 also. 3. So 1 2 3 can be written as 1 2 3 or 1 2 3. So 1 means 1 1. This can be taken as 2 3. Here 1 2 3 3. What is 1 1? 1 1 means A. 2 3 means A. So check if there is any production deriving AA. No. So it is not deriving anything. Now check the remaining part. 1, 2. Where is 1, 2? 1, 2 means S comma B. 3, 3 means B. Okay. So take this one. This can be written as SB dot SB comma BB. So take this SB. SB is not derived by any production. Next BB. BB is derived by A. Right. So in place of 1, 2, 3 or in place of 1, 3 places A. Now take 2, 4 position. So how to write 2, 4 position? So 2, 4. Elements will be 2, 3, 4. So you can divide it into either 2, 3, 4 or 2, 3, 4. So just write it like this. 2 can be written as 2, 2. This can be written as 3, 4. And here 2, 3. It is 4, 4. So 2, 2 means 2, 2 is B. 3, 4 means A. So BA. BA is not derived in the RHS of any production. So leave it like that. Now take this 2, 3. 2, 3 means A. 4, 4 means B. So check AB. AB is derived by S and B. So here write it as S comma B in place of 2, 4. Fine. Now we have only single cell, that is 1, 4. So 1 length string over, 2 length, 3 length strings. All are over. Now we are left with only 4 length string, 1, 4. 1, 4 can be written as 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 4 can be written as 1, 2, 3, 4. So it can be divided into 1, 2, 3, 4 or 1, 2, 3, 4 or what is the third one? 1, 2, 3 or 4. So this can be written as 1, 1, 2, 3, 4. This is 1, 2, 3, 4. This is 1, 2, 3 dot 4, 4. So 1, 1 means A. 2, 3, 4. 2, 3, 4 is nothing but 2, 4. 2, 4 places SB. So write this as AS comma AB. Now solve this one. 1, 2 means SB. 3, 4 means A. So this can be written as SB comma SA comma BA. And this one 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3 is nothing but 1, 3 place. 1, 3 is A. 4, 4 is B. AB. Now check this one. AS is not derived by any production. Next AB. AB is derived by S and B. Then SA. SA is not derived anywhere in the RHS. Leave it like that. Next BA. Again BA is not derived by any production. Now AB. AB is derived by both S and B. So if you observe overall conditions, will get S comma B. Okay, this is your final table and have to find out whether the string is a part of grammar or not. You need to check this 4 length string, 1, 4 place. If you have start symbol S, okay, S in this 4 length string, then it indicates that this string is a member of this grammar. Okay, as we have S in this 1-4 location or 1-4 cell, it indicates that this string is a member of this grammar.